Good evening, and thank you for joining us. We are going to begin with breaking news. The fastest, biggest, and most complex effort to eradicate a disease in modern history is now underway. Tonight, the British government has started the first public campaign to vaccinate people for coronavirus. And as we come on the air, the U.S. appears poised to approve the shots and begin giving them as soon as this weekend. The FDA says data it has reviewed from the drug maker Pfizer shows the company's vaccine is not only safe, it is effective. The agency will take up emergency approval of the shots in public hearings on Thursday. Still, it could take months to vaccinate enough Americans to stop the spread of the virus, which is now exploding nationwide. More than 15 million Americans have now been infected, and just 8 days in, December is already on track to be the worst month of the pandemic. Think about that. That is why President-elect Joe Biden is vowing tonight that his administration will give an average of 1 million doses of vaccines a day, promising to give 100 million shots in his first 100 days. We've got a lot of new reporting tonight for you and your family. Our team is covering it all. CBS's Charlie D'Agata is going to lead off our coverage from England. Good evening, Charlie.
Good evening, Nora. The health services said thousands of vaccinations took place today, including the first one right here at this hospital in what the health secretary called the beginning of the end of COVID. Margaret Keenan, with one sleeve pulled back, took one historic leap forward. The 90-year-old grandmother became the first person in the world to receive a clinically approved vaccine.
I would say go for it. Go for it because it's free. And it's the best thing that's ever happened.
But first, maybe much ado about nothing, when next came, poetically, William Shakespeare of Warwickshire. They were among thousands inoculated today, a mass vaccination the UK government dubbed V-Day, focusing first on those over 80 and the medical workers administering the shots. A sense of relief, if not celebration, in a country with more than 62,000 COVID fatalities and climbing, one of the highest death tolls per capita in the world, worse than the U.S.
It's important for people to understand that the virus is, alas, still rising in some parts of the country. We can't afford to relax now.
The immediate rollout, 800,000 doses in the days ahead, up to 4 million by the end of the year, distributed initially from around 70 hospital hubs across the UK. Later, more than 1,000 vaccination centers, including converted parking lots, village halls, even libraries. Today's rollout came just days after regulators here gave emergency approval for the vaccine late last week. After isolating for months, Maggie now can't wait to see her family. For the first time, a dream that is now a reality. And there is news about the Oxford vaccine. In the Lancet Medical Journal, one of the lead researchers told us it was shown to be safe, effective, and unlike the other vaccine candidates, it could prevent transmission. Nora?
Charlie D'Agata, thank you.